Hello, friends of our channel. This is Dr. Nelson Marquez, and today we're going to explore a topic that generates a lot of questions. Apple cider vinegar. Is it really all that it's cracked up to be? Let's find out how and when to use it to get the most out of its benefits. Oh, and before we start, if you want to understand in depth how the body works and how to improve your health, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss anything. So, let's dive into the subject. What does apple cider vinegar do for your body? To understand the impact of apple cider vinegar, we need to know the mechanism that makes it so powerful. Science has already investigated it extensively and revealed something incredible. Apple cider vinegar can help improve insulin resistance. But why is this so important? Well, insulin resistance is behind conditions such as type 2 diabetes, metabolic syndrome, high blood sugar, uncontrolled cholesterol, high triglycerides, and even that accumulation of abdominal fat. Scientific evidence. An interesting study followed two groups of people for 3 months. One group took apple cider vinegar with their meals, while the other received a placebo. The result? The apple cider vinegar group showed a significant reduction in all of these markers: glucose, cholesterol, triglycerides, and belly fat. As for the placebo group, nothing changed. In addition, the waist-to-hip ratio improved, showing benefits even in the distribution of body fat. Numerous benefits. Blood sugar regulation. Apple cider vinegar regulates blood glucose levels thanks to acetic acid, which slows down the digestion of carbohydrates. This prevents sudden spikes in sugar after meals rich in starches, especially helping people with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. It improves insulin sensitivity, making glucose transport into cells more efficient. Studies show that vinegar can reduce blood glucose levels by up to 34% after meals. In addition, it is effective in minimizing energy swings and avoiding episodes of extreme hunger that occur due to glucose fluctuations. Vinegar also helps prevent long-term metabolic damage by reducing HbA1c levels, which reflect glycemic control over the past 3 months. Its regular use, especially before main meals, promotes a balanced metabolic response, improving mood and reducing cravings for sweets. It helps with weight loss. Apple cider vinegar is widely known for promoting satiety, reducing calorie intake throughout the day. It slows gastric emptying, which makes you feel full for longer after a meal. In addition, studies suggest that it can reduce levels of ghrelin, the hormone responsible for stimulating appetite. Consuming vinegar before meals can reduce calorie intake by up to 275 calories per day, promoting gradual and sustainable weight loss. Acetic acid also stimulates metabolism, helping the body burn fat more efficiently. This thermogenic effect can be especially beneficial for people with slow metabolisms. In addition, vinegar helps combat the accumulation of visceral fat, which is associated with increased risks of heart and metabolic diseases. Improve digestion. Apple cider vinegar can help alleviate common digestive issues like bloating, gas, and indigestion. It increases stomach acid, which is essential for proper digestion, especially of proteins. Many people have low levels of stomach acid, which can lead to feelings of discomfort after meals. By balancing the pH of the stomach, vinegar improves the absorption of nutrients like iron, calcium, and magnesium. Additionally, its antimicrobial properties help fight harmful bacteria in the digestive tract, promoting a healthy microbiome. Vinegar also stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, which facilitate the breakdown of food. When consumed before meals, it can prevent acid reflux caused by low stomach acidity. Antimicrobial properties. Apple cider vinegar has antibacterial and antifungal properties due to the presence of acetic acid. It is effective against several strains of harmful bacteria, including Escherichia coli, E. coli, and Staphylococcus aureus S. aureus. It has traditionally been used as a natural remedy to treat mild infections and prevent the growth of pathogens. Additionally, vinegar can be used topically to treat skin infections caused by fungi or bacteria. In the intestinal environment, it helps fight harmful bacteria without harming the beneficial microbiota. Studies also show that vinegar can inhibit the growth of Candida albicans, a yeast that can cause fungal infections. Improves heart health. Apple cider vinegar contributes to cardiovascular health by helping to control risk factors such as high cholesterol and high blood pressure. It reduces LDL, bad cholesterol, and triglyceride levels, while increasing HDL, good cholesterol levels. Acetic acid also has anti-inflammatory properties that protect blood vessels from damage caused by oxidative stress. In addition, it regulates renin levels, an enzyme that controls blood pressure, helping to maintain it at healthy levels. Studies indicate that regular consumption of vinegar can improve the elasticity of blood vessels, promoting better blood circulation. Strengthening the immune system. Apple cider vinegar contributes to immunity by improving the balance of the intestinal microbiome, which plays a central role in defending the body against pathogens. Its acetic acid has antimicrobial properties that help fight harmful bacteria and maintain a healthy intestinal flora. In addition, vinegar contains antioxidants such as malic acid, which reduce oxidative stress, strengthening immune cells. Regular consumption can help reduce chronic inflammation, which is associated with autoimmune and infectious diseases. Studies show that it stimulates the production of white blood cells, which are essential for defending against viruses and bacteria. It is also effective in preventing mild respiratory infections, relieving symptoms such as sore throat when used as a gargle. Aids in liver detoxification. Apple cider vinegar is known for its detoxifying effects, especially on the liver, the main organ responsible for eliminating toxins. It stimulates liver enzymes that facilitate the breakdown and removal of toxic substances from the body. Acetic acid also promotes the production of bile, which aids in the digestion of fats and the elimination of waste. In addition, vinegar has alkalizing properties that balance the body's pH, relieving the liver's overload caused by an acidic diet. Regular consumption can help reduce the accumulation of fat in the liver, preventing conditions such as fatty liver. Combats acid reflux. Although it may seem counterintuitive, apple cider vinegar is often used to treat acid reflux caused by low stomach acidity. It increases the pH of the stomach, helping to prevent the backflow of gastric contents into the esophagus. When consumed before meals, it improves digestion and reduces symptoms such as heartburn and heartburn. Its antimicrobial compounds also help fight bacteria that can contribute to gastric dysfunction, such as Helicobacter pylori. In addition, vinegar stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, promoting more efficient gastric emptying. Controls blood pressure. Apple cider vinegar helps regulate blood pressure by relaxing blood vessels and improving circulation. Acetic acid reduces levels of renin, an enzyme that plays a major role in raising blood pressure. In addition, it contains potassium, which helps balance sodium levels in the body, reducing fluid retention and stress on the cardiovascular system. Supports oral health. When diluted, apple cider vinegar can be used as a natural mouthwash to combat bacteria that cause bad breath and cavities. Its antimicrobial properties help eliminate harmful pathogens in the mouth, while the acetic acid dissolves plaque. It is also effective for whitening teeth, as it removes surface stains caused by food and drinks. However, due to its acidity, it is essential to use it in moderation and dilute it with water to avoid damaging tooth enamel. After use, it is recommended to rinse your mouth with water to neutralize any acid residue. Improves digestion. Apple cider vinegar can improve digestion by increasing stomach acidity, making it easier to break down food and absorb essential nutrients. It stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, such as pepsin, which help break down proteins and improve the efficiency of the digestive process. Additionally, vinegar promotes movement in the gastrointestinal tract, helping to relieve symptoms of indigestion, such as a feeling of heaviness and gas. By balancing the pH levels in the stomach, it can also help prevent acid reflux. For people with slow digestion or gastric problems, consuming a spoonful of apple cider vinegar diluted in water before meals can help improve digestion and reduce stomach discomfort. Antibacterial and antifungal action. Apple cider vinegar has antibacterial and antifungal properties that make it effective in fighting external and internal infections. The acetic acid present in vinegar can destroy the cell membrane of several bacteria, such as E. coli and Salmonella, helping to prevent foodborne infections. It is also useful in treating fungal infections, such as ringworm and athlete's foot, by inhibiting the growth of fungi. For topical use, it can be applied directly to areas affected by skin infections, always diluted to avoid irritation. In addition, vinegar can be an ally in controlling urinary tract infections, helping to balance the pH of the urine and hindering the proliferation of bacteria. Improved metabolism and weight loss. Apple cider vinegar can help speed up your metabolism, promoting more efficient fat burning. Acetic acid increases fat oxidation and can reduce the storage of visceral fat, especially in the abdominal region. A study conducted on rats showed that ingesting vinegar reduces body fat, which suggests a similar effect in humans. In addition, it contributes to a greater feeling of satiety, which can help reduce appetite and prevent overeating. Taking a spoonful of vinegar diluted in water before meals can increase the feeling of fullness, making it easier to control calorie intake. For those seeking weight loss, apple cider vinegar can be a complementary tool when combined with a healthy diet and regular physical exercise. Diabetes control. Apple cider vinegar can be useful in controlling blood sugar levels, especially for people with type 2 diabetes. It improves insulin sensitivity, helping cells to better absorb glucose. Studies have shown that consuming vinegar after a meal rich in carbohydrates can reduce glucose spikes, helping to keep sugar levels more stable throughout the day. Vinegar can also slow the digestion of carbohydrates, preventing rapid increases in blood glucose levels. For individuals with diabetes, daily intake of apple cider vinegar may be beneficial for glycemic control, but should be done under medical supervision. Reduced risk of heart disease. Apple cider vinegar has shown potential to reduce the risk of heart disease due to its effect on cholesterol and blood pressure. It lowers levels of LDL cholesterol, bad cholesterol, and triglycerides, while increasing HDL, good cholesterol, promoting a healthier lipid profile. Additionally, vinegar helps relax blood vessels and improve circulation, which can result in lower blood pressure. The acetic acid in vinegar can also reduce plaque buildup in the arteries, preventing atherosclerosis. By improving cardiovascular health, apple cider vinegar helps reduce the risk of heart attack, stroke, and other cardiovascular-related diseases. Improves bone health. Apple cider vinegar is a natural source of minerals that are important for bone health, such as calcium, magnesium, and potassium. These nutrients are essential for maintaining strong bones and preventing diseases such as osteoporosis. Acetic acid helps the body better absorb calcium from food, promoting bone mineralization. Additionally, vinegar has an alkalizing effect, which can help reduce bone loss caused by an overly acidic environment in the body. Regular consumption of apple cider vinegar can help strengthen bones over time, especially when combined with a diet rich in foods that promote bone health. Fights bad breath. Apple cider vinegar is effective in fighting bad breath because of its antibacterial properties, which help eliminate odor-causing bacteria in the mouth. It can be used as a mouthwash, killing bacteria and balancing the pH of the mouth, which prevents the overgrowth of microorganisms. Additionally, apple cider vinegar helps increase saliva production, which is beneficial for cleaning the mouth and removing food particles that cause bad breath. Consuming apple cider vinegar diluted in water can help freshen your breath naturally and for a long time. Preventing kidney stones. Apple cider vinegar can help prevent and treat kidney stones due to its alkalizing effect on the body. It helps balance the body's pH levels, creating an environment that is less prone to the formation of crystals that can turn into kidney stones. The acetic acid in vinegar can also dissolve the calcium deposits that form kidney stones, making them easier to eliminate through urine. Additionally, apple cider vinegar can help reduce the pain associated with kidney stones, as it improves circulation and promotes relaxation of the muscles around the kidneys. For those with a history of kidney stones, moderate consumption of apple cider vinegar diluted in water can be a useful preventative measure, but always under medical supervision. Improves liver function. Apple cider vinegar is beneficial for liver health, as it helps to detoxify the organ and improve its function. It contains potassium, an essential mineral that helps eliminate toxins from the liver, helping to regenerate liver cells. Acetic acid also stimulates the production of bile, which is necessary for the digestion of fats and the elimination of toxins from the body. Over time, consumption of apple cider vinegar can improve liver function, helping the metabolization of lipids and even promote the reduction of fat in the liver. It can be especially useful for those suffering from fatty liver, helping to improve the balance of liver enzymes. Reduction of sore throats. Apple cider vinegar is a popular home remedy for relieving sore throats due to its antibacterial properties. When diluted in water, it can be used as a gargle to help combat infections that cause sore throats, such as strep throat. Vinegar helps to eliminate bacteria in the throat area and relieve irritation caused by inflammation. It also helps to soothe the throat by increasing mucus production, which can be helpful in dealing with the dryness and itchiness associated with sore throats. For quick relief, it is recommended to dilute a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of warm water and gargle several times a day. Lowers LDL cholesterol. Apple cider vinegar has been shown to be effective in reducing LDL cholesterol, bad cholesterol, and triglycerides in the blood. Studies suggest that drinking vinegar can help reduce the oxidation of LDL, a major contributor to the development of heart disease. The acetic acid in vinegar can also decrease the production of cholesterol in the liver and increase the excretion of lipids. For those with high cholesterol, apple cider vinegar can be a useful addition to the diet, contributing to cardiovascular health over time. However, it should be consumed in moderation and always as part of a healthy lifestyle that includes a balanced diet and exercise. Improves gut health. Apple cider vinegar can be an excellent ally in promoting healthy gut flora. It contains pectin, a fiber that helps improve digestion and promotes the growth of good gut bacteria. Vinegar also contains enzymes that aid in digestion and balance acidity in the stomach. By improving intestinal transit, apple cider vinegar can relieve symptoms such as constipation and bloating. In addition, it can help fight intestinal infections, as its antibacterial properties fight harmful microorganisms in the gastrointestinal tract. To take advantage of these benefits, you can consume a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar diluted in warm water before meals. Sunburn relief. Apple cider vinegar can be used as a home remedy to relieve the pain and inflammation caused by sunburn. Its anti-inflammatory properties help soothe irritated skin, while its compounds help balance the skin's pH, which can speed up the healing process. To do this, the vinegar should be diluted in water and applied with a clean cloth or cotton pad directly to the affected area of the burn. It can also be combined with aloe vera for an additional moisturizing effect. Although apple cider vinegar helps relieve pain, it should not be applied to severe burns or more intense burns. Balance pH levels. Apple cider vinegar has an alkalizing effect on the body, which helps balance the pH levels in the blood and other body fluids. Although vinegar is acidic by nature, it is metabolized in a way that creates a more alkaline environment in the body, which can help reduce excessive acidity. This pH balance is crucial for maintaining the overall health of the body, preventing diseases related to acid imbalances, such as osteoporosis and metabolic syndrome. Vinegar can also help reduce chronic inflammation, which is exacerbated in an acidic environment. Consuming diluted apple cider vinegar regularly can promote well-being and support an efficient immune response. Relief from irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Apple cider vinegar may be helpful for people with irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, a gastrointestinal condition characterized by cramping, constipation, and diarrhea. It can help balance stomach acidity and improve digestion, reducing symptoms such as bloating, gas, and abdominal pain. Apple cider vinegar stimulates the production of gastric juices, which facilitates digestion and improves intestinal transit. In addition, it helps balance the intestinal microbiota, favoring beneficial bacteria and fighting pathogens. To obtain these benefits, you can consume a spoonful of apple cider vinegar diluted in water before meals, but it is always recommended to consult a doctor to adjust the dosage according to individual needs. And there is more. If you choose a quality apple cider vinegar such as organic, raw, unfiltered, and with the mother, that substance at the bottom of the bottle, the benefits are even greater. How to use apple cider vinegar without risks. The key to enjoying apple cider vinegar is to use it correctly. Here are some tips for you. Always dilute. Never drink pure vinegar, as it is very acidic and can irritate the esophagus or damage tooth enamel. Mix 1 to 2 teaspoons in a glass of water. Ideal time: before meals to aid digestion, or before bed to control glucose levels. Frequency: start slowly and observe how your body reacts. Acid that can change lives. Now, to finish with a flourish. Did you know that acetic acid present in apple cider vinegar can be the solution to many conditions related to metabolism? It not only regulates glucose, but also helps create a healthier internal environment capable of improving your overall health and even preventing diseases. If you know someone who struggles with metabolic health problems, share this video. This small gesture can transform lives. What care should you take when using apple cider vinegar? Despite its benefits, apple cider vinegar should be used in moderation and in the right way. Here are some things to keep in mind. Protect your teeth. Since it is acidic, it can wear down tooth enamel over time. Use a straw when drinking or rinse your mouth with water after drinking. Avoid excess. High doses can cause stomach irritation or excessive reduction in potassium levels. Moderation is the key. Do not replace medication. If you have diabetes or any other health condition, consult your doctor before incorporating apple cider vinegar into your routine. It is a complement, not a replacement for treatment. Pregnancy and other precautions. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should consult a health professional before using. Have you ever stopped to think about how the acidity in our stomach is essential for our digestion? Stomach acid is not just a chemical reaction. It plays a crucial role in the process of breaking down food. It stimulates the gallbladder, causing it to release bile, which helps digest fats, and also activates the pancreas to release pancreatic enzymes essential for digestion. Imagine how much the body depends on this acid at various points in the digestive process. Now, with time and aging, acid production decreases. And then the question arises, what to do when the body can no longer produce as much acid as it needs? That's where apple cider vinegar comes in, a simple and inexpensive ally to give your digestion a little boost. And don't worry, it won't completely replace the hydrochloric acid your body needs, but it can help give it an extra boost. Plus, if you choose a quality apple cider vinegar, organic and unpasteurized, you're also incorporating probiotics into your diet. These beneficial bacteria help fight bad bacteria in the intestine, promoting a better balance in your intestinal flora. Cool, right? And who can benefit from all this? Well, almost anyone who has digestive issues like irritable bowel syndrome, gastroesophageal reflux, and heartburn can find relief with apple cider vinegar. That's because sometimes the problem isn't too much acid, but too little. When there's not enough acid in the stomach, food isn't digested properly and starts to ferment, which causes irritation and reflux. By increasing acidity in a controlled way with vinegar, you can improve this process. And if you don't have clear symptoms of digestive issues, no problem. Digestive issues can often manifest themselves in less obvious ways, such as difficulty absorbing nutrients, amino acids, or minerals. Apple cider vinegar can help correct these secondary imbalances, contributing to better absorption and digestion overall. Now, an important tip. Don't think that apple cider vinegar is a miracle solution. It is not a substitute for a balanced diet or a healthy lifestyle. But if you're making changes to your diet, eating less sugar and more real foods, apple cider vinegar can be a little extra trick to boost your results. Who should avoid apple cider vinegar? People with ulcers. If you have ulcers, you'll quickly know that apple cider vinegar isn't a good option for you, since it can cause pain. In this case, it's important to investigate the causes of the ulcer and treat it appropriately. And when to take it. There are 2 strategic times, before or during a meal. Apple cider vinegar helps digestion and absorption of nutrients, which is why we eat, right? Another good time to take it is before bed, because it can improve insulin sensitivity and help control the rise in glucose in the morning, known as the dawn effect. This is especially useful for those with insulin resistance. Now, a bonus tip. Apple cider vinegar can also be a great seasoning. Use it in salad dressings or even in an omelet. This way, you can already integrate vinegar into your diet in a tasty and practical way. And finally, what about antacids? They are popular for relieving heartburn, but the truth is that they do more harm than good. Neutralizing stomach acid can ruin your ability to digest food and absorb nutrients efficiently. Instead of resorting to antacids, how about trying to adjust your acid production naturally, like with apple cider vinegar? This can help prevent future digestive problems and improve your intestinal health. How to make vinegar a pleasant ally. If you turn your nose up at the thought of vinegar, I understand. But here's the good news. There are ways to make it more enjoyable. Try adding honey or a squeeze of lemon to the mixture with water. This gives it a more balanced flavor and also has extra benefits. Use it as a seasoning for salads or dishes. That way, you'll be consuming vinegar without even realizing it. Finally, remember, true health comes from balance and self-knowledge. Small changes, like including apple cider vinegar in your routine, can go a long way toward transforming your life. But it's important to observe how your body reacts and make choices that respect your needs. Did you like these tips? How about starting today? Try apple cider vinegar for a week and come back here to share your experience. We want to know, how did you feel? Did you notice a difference in your digestion, energy levels, or general well-being?